This video demonstrates how to construct a video rate scanning confocal microscope using standard off-the-shelf components. A scanning confocal microscope relies on the coordinated movement of two scanning mirrors to translate the beam across the raster plane. Light from the first mirror is scanned horizontally across the first set of relay lenses, which focuses it back to a stationary point on the second scanning mirror. This same scanning motion is then translated through the scan and tube lenses, placing the now expanded light beam on the back aperture of the objective lens. The second mirror, whose motion is slow compared to the first mirror, simultaneously scans the y-axis, allowing for scanning action above and below the illustrated plane and creating a rectangular raster on the sample surface.
The main advantage of this protocol over purchasing a commercially available microscope is the low cost and the ability to customize the instrument to the specific needs of an imaging project.
When working with any laser, it is vital to take appropriate safety measures to prevent injury to the eye. Be sure to wear the appropriate laser safety glasses whenever possible. Spectators and/or researchers not actively aligning or working with the beam should always wear glasses. Remove all shiny and reflective watches or jewelry. Most importantly, be sure to follow and control the beam at all times by terminating its path using a beam block or mounted business card. This is especially important while aligning mirrors, as the beam's path can be difficult to predict. Also, never make your eyes level with the beam path. Turn off the laser if you need to cross the plane of the beam. Before assembling the microscope, ensure that all the equipment necessary for the construction is available, including the optical breadboard and 90-degree brackets, all mirrors, lenses, and dichroics, along with the appropriate clamps and mounting hardware, both scanning mirrors, and the photodetector. It is also useful to have a function generator.